What's up, everyone? I wanted to just get on here and do a random video about the Amex Platinum refresh because I made a video on it, but my card came in. Actually, I've had it for a little bit now, and I just wanted to show what it looks like. It's really nice in person. I usually don't like the Amex Platinum or Amex refreshes in general, like the gold to the rose gold. I didn't really like it. And then the other designs that they put on the Platinum and the black card where they had the flowers and stuff, I didn't really like any of that stuff. But this one is like mirror. You can like see your reflection. It looks really good, and it's just beautiful. And I would really recommend upgrading from this, which is the normal one, to this one, which is a really nice one. So yep, just wanted to do a little comparison video. As you can see, this one's like a mirror, and you could even see like what's in the back, like my water bottle and stuff like that. So it just looks really nice. So if you have this one, you have the regular Amex Platinum, definitely upgrade to the, I don't even know what to call this, like, I don't know, it's metallic, I don't know, silver, whatever, where you could see your reflection. Mine came in pretty quick, took less than a week, so yeah, I highly recommend it. So get it. Alright, see you.